suckers.
Open that up.
Get all the money in the phone too.
Bam.
Wow, full to the top, dude.
Jackpot, baby.
Oh.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Abandoned Exploration Squad back with another salvaging video. Today we've got something pretty interesting. We found this payphone inside of an abandoned mall, and the entire mall has already been destroyed. But we saved this payphone because we're going to break it open and see if we can find any money inside of it. So guys, this is my dad, and he's pretty badass. If you didn't know, my dad is actually a demolition contractor, so that's how we're able to get in these abandoned buildings and pretty much do whatever we want and make these videos. So how his job works is once a building gets signed over to him, all the contents left inside now belong to him, and he can pretty much salvage whatever he wants, and that's actually a big part of his business. So we're about to get started, and my dad's going to explain how he's going to break into this abandoned payphone.
How you doing, guys? Come take a look. We're going to start out by cutting the screws off the back of this phone so I can lay it down on its back like this, and then I can get in here. And if you take a closer look, you can see the little bar sticking out to the side. This is almost like a safe. There's a bar on this side, on the bottom, on this side, and on the top. When they turn the key, it sends the bars in all directions like a mini safe. And once we took this phone off the wall, you can actually hear the change inside the phone. We have no idea how much is in there, so let's get started. Put on my eye protection, ear protection. crowbar. Okay. Okay, maybe we'll try cutting the face open too. Make it easier to pop it open. Alright. Much easier.
Bam, we're in. Woo! There's a change box right there.
Yeah, it's like a mini cash box, still a little warm.
Oh, rip.
We'll get it. A little bit of stuff here.
Want to tip it over so it'll fall out?
Yeah, looks like there's a little bent right there though.
Here, I'll try to grab this.
See
That thing is stuck good.
See these little things sticking in here. Bend this over.
Oh.
This top here. Grab a pair of pliers. Okay, I'm getting impatient. Grab some pliers.
Oh yeah, I can hear the money inside there. Ooh. Something just fell out.
I'm just holding it.
Still stuck.
Like the top of it.
We got a nickel so far. Sounds pretty full though. Yeah, there's pouring out of there.
Sorry.
Okay, let me get a better angle.
My top's holding it.
Oh, you almost got it.
The money's gonna start jamming.
Yeah, it's already like pouring out right there. You can see all those quarters right there.
Let's try and bend this open and then we'll just try and spin it out of there.
Hey, oh
Whoa.
my God.
Sucker's
Open
full.
that up.
Look at all the money in the phone too.
Bam.
Wow, full to the top, dude.
Jackpot, baby.
Oh!
Wow.
Woo!
Was it actually full to the complete top?
Yeah.
Jeez,
But
that's
the
gotta
money
be
is
like,
still in the phone there.
oh my God, that's gotta be like
See
50
this
bucks
plate
and
right
change.
here, we're still holding it.
Yeah.
And something on the top there.
Wow, look at
Look
that.
at this money in here,
Want to dump the rest out really quick?
down in the thing.
Man, that thing was overflowing with money. All right, what do you think? I think there's like 50 bucks right there.
I'll say 70.
70?
Yeah, I mean, 40s is $1. Might be 100. See, if this had dollar bills in it, we couldn't do that because it would burn them up. All the sparks would have lit. Hey, still have money in there. Dude,
Jeez.
money down inside here. It's coming out of the cracks. That one just fell out. Yeah, I think that's it. It looks like something wiggling around in there.
Yeah, but who cares about the small stuff? This
Right,
is,
right. We got the bulk of it. It's not about the money anyway, right?
yeah.
It's about the fun of breaking into things.
So it looks like I was wrong. We have easily over $100 right here. Want to do a tally up really quick?
Yep, we got these in rows of $5. So we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 100.
Wow.
126 plus whatever's in this small change.
Yeah, we kind of gave up after counting these quarters for 10 minutes, but that is insane.
Out of
I can't
a
believe,
payphone.
yeah, I can't believe that much money was just left abandoned in a payphone.
Right. Now we got to clean all this and count it when we get home.
But that is a nice chunk of change.
It's got to be.
It's a good payday.
We'll call it 150 by the time.
Yeah, about 150.
140.
Way more than I expected. I expected like maybe $10.
Yeah,
but
that's what I was thinking. $20 maybe.
yeah, because we heard change in it when we
right.
tilted it.
Right. Didn't sound like a lot.
Yeah. But wow, that is unbelievable.
Good find.
Yeah, great
Again,
find.
we're not in it for the money. It's kind of like a sport to us. Okay, I've come across quite a few of these payphones in my years of business. Probably like 6 or 8 of them. They usually always have money in them. 50, 60 bucks. I've never seen this amount of money in a payphone. And the shopping centers, when they get abandoned, the phones get left behind, as well as a bunch of other stuff that we salvage. And if anybody was to break into here and try and get this phone, you can see how long it just took us to get in this phone with the proper tools and equipment, how hard it was to get the change box out of there. So it's not something easily stolen if somebody broke into the abandoned mall. That's why it's usually still there.
So that's about it, guys. Not only did we find a ton of money, but this was just a lot of fun. I've actually never gotten the experience to come out here with my dad and break into a payphone because they've kind of become obsolete, but that was such a cool experience to see him break into it. And money is just a bonus to us. I was expecting to find maybe like $10, but we ended up finding a ton of money. So I'm not complaining, that's cool too, but it's just another bonus to the experience. Before you go, make sure you leave a like and make sure you subscribe, because if we come across more cool stuff like this, like more abandoned payphones or vending machines or safes, we're definitely going to film it if you guys like it. So that's about it, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Squad out.